Hello guys! Today, we will learn how to create a fruit water splash effect in Photoshop. I'm going to show the step-by-step process that a beginner can also follow and create it very easily. Now, first, here we're going to take two images, one of orange and the second of the water splash, which you can easily download from the internet. Now, we're going to align them and adjust where we want the water splash effect in this orange. Now, press Ctrl, then click on the water splash image in the layer. Press Ctrl plus C to copy the image. Now, add a layer mask. Press Alt and click on the layer mask. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste the object. Now press Ctrl plus I to invert the object. Now, click on the image and take the eyedropper tool and click the orange color and press Alt plus Delete. Now, make a copy of it and select both layers and press Ctrl plus E to merge both layers. Press Ctrl plus T and adjust the layer where you want the effect to be. Now, click the right button and select Wrap and adjust the effect to make it more compact. Select the effect layer and add a layer mask. Then take the brush tool and remove the unwanted parts. Now, select the orange layer and do the same. This is how you can create a fruit water splash effect. For more of this type of video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you.